Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Luna. As in my last video, I was telling you that there is no support or resistance for Luna because there was a big waterfall crash, and doing chart analysis in such waterfall crash is really impossible. And as you know that UST has already lost its peg to the US dollar. Therefore, in order to counterbalance, tons of Lunas are minted. Therefore, the price is dropped in such a drastic way, and it can be dropped more even. But right now, after such a big drop on the smaller time frames, Luna is showing some support and resistance levels, and we will just take a look at the chart in order to see whether is there any possibility for the price recovery from here or not. And trading Luna is really very risky here in such situation. And before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And this is a chart of Terra USD, the UST, and we can see that right now it is moving at 14.35 cents. That is way below US dollar. And now if we take a look at the Luna chart, then this was the triangle that I was showing you when there was a big crash that was just started here. And we were forming this triangle on 10th of May. And I told you that if on the hourly time frame chart after this crash, if there will be some spark, or we want to see some sign of recovery, then if Luna breaks out this triangle, that will be the first sign of recovery. And we can see that the Luna did not break it out and even dropped more. And if we see, let me just show you the recent situation, and we can see it is dropped way below. It was dropped here. The value was 0.0000112, and it can be called as a last support. And the next resistance it found here, and that was a very strong resistance at $0.0075. And here it was rejected, moved up again, tested this level as a support, and as a support as well. And we can see from this level to this spike, let me show you this volatility, and we can see this move was more than 1700,000%, and again dropped here. And again, we broke out the next resistance. Now, let's take a look at the difference between one resistance to the next one. Then we can see we have a difference from this resistance to the next resistance is more than 6,000%. Okay, here we found another support that was at $0.000075. Then again moved up and found another support that was previously breaking here as a resistance, and now it is breaking as a support that was at $0.00014. That is also a big difference. Then again, it was rejected by this resistance, moved down, and again broke out, and we had this bounce here, use this level as a support, again this bounce here, and right now we are moving at this support of $0.0002429. Now the next resistance, and that can be key resistance, and I hope that after breaking out there can be some stability, or it will be more better to say that it will be the first sign of recovery if it will break out this resistance, because you can see it was rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. And from this resistance to the next resistance, there is a big difference. So that can be the first sign of recovery, that Terra Luna is finding some supports and breaking out the next resistance, and finding the next support and breaking out the next resistance. And at the same time, you can see Terra Luna has also formed a falling wedge pattern, and this is the support, and here we have the resistance of the falling wedge. And technical target for the falling wedge can be here at the top of the wedge. That is the next resistance of that is by the way here at $0.000 3 times 0 $52780. And after breaking out this wedge, if the price line breaks out this resistance as well, that will be the first sign of recovery. And if I'm saying recovery, that will be the stability in the price. I'm not saying that it will be go back to $90 or $80, but we need some stability. So in order to find that, we can see that whether it is going to break out the next resistance of wedge and also the next resistance of this $0.000527, because after a waterfall crash, after that triangle that I was showing you, this is the first pattern that Luna has formed, and that can be a sign of stability after forming this falling wedge. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.